when you're lonely and have no one to care for you. Just remember the heart you have broken and the one that has loved you so true. Told me that you'd always love me and no one would ever come between. But it seems to me you've forgotten all the words you said unto me. Oh, someday, sweetheart, when you're lonely and have no one to care for you, just remember the heart you have broken and the one that has loved you so true. I'll forget all the words that you told me and try to start my life anew. Just remember the heart you have broken and the one that has loved you so true. Oh, someday, sweetheart, when you're lonely and have no one to care for you, just remember the heart you have broken and the one that has loved you so true.
Thank you. Glad we got two of you applauding down there. There's sounds of grass. Of course, we pay them to do that. No, we're having fun. I hope you are out there because there's a big evening ahead of us here. Hoping that no rain pops up, and I don't think there's going to be. We're going to do a gospel number here in our part of the show. So we always include a gospel number on the show. Gal, what's it going to be? Yeah, I heard the lady ask. All righty. Go ahead.